innovation meets sustainability, welcome to the future of charging. Introducing the Sangitech Nexus II EV charger, a symphony of beauty and functionality crafted to redefine your charging experience. Imagine a world where charging your electric vehicle is not just a necessity, but a seamless part of your lifestyle. Sangitech Nexus II EV charger effortlessly blends into your life. Designed with precision and attention to detail, not just a charging device, but a statement of sophistication and style. Advanced technology, safety features of the charger, fast charging, built-in surge protection, compatibility with various electric vehicle models. Effortlessly blends into any environment, whether it's your home, your workplace, or the bustling city streets. Join us in embracing a greener, more sustainable future. Sangitech Nexus II EV charger, redefining the way we charge and the way we live.